All right, let's open this up. I bought 2 of these. One for my youngest, who I had just bought a slow cooker for, and one for me. Oh wow, these are a lot bigger than I thought they were. I mean, look how big that book is. That is thick. I mean, a 3-fingered book. Wow. So this got really good ratings. There were a lot of them offered, you know, for slow cookers, and I went with the ones that had the highest rating. And this seemed to be the one that was the top. And so I'm very excited to make some recipes out of this. But there's 1,400 best slow cooker recipes. Fix It and Forget It Big Cookbook. New York Times bestseller author Phyllis Pellman Good. So there's not a whole lot of pictures in here. Well, there's some, but not a ton. Which is fine, because you know what, slow cooking, it's kind of hard to take pictures of. Oh wow, there's even like a cake recipe. So there's all different, wow, I mean, these look really, really good. So I'm excited. So table of contents, we've got appetizers and snacks and spreads. Great for, you know, tailgating and, you know, going to football games and bringing something. Breakfast and brunch, bread, soups, stews, chilies. The main course, we've got beef main dishes, chicken and turkey main dishes, pork main dishes, seafood main dishes, pasta, meatless and or main dishes, vegetables, desserts and sweets, beverages, like something like, you know, cider, like hot cider. Then there's, you know, handy little helpful hints like equivalent measurements, assumptions about ingredients, some hints, some substitutes, kitchen tools and equipment. So, you know, there's quite a few pages here. I mean, this book is over 600 pages. Ooh, was that candy apples? The caramel apples, wow. So this probably would be really easy to do caramel apples, because, you know, you would just dip it in. So that's pretty, those look wonderful. Gosh, there are a ton of recipes in here. So be on the lookout for some videos on some of these recipes, because I'm gonna go get cooking.